This isn't just another surveillance upgrade, it's a game-changing breakthrough in physical security. What you're about to see goes far beyond video feeds. It's ACTI's A427 and A428, the next-gen AI cameras with face recognition and appearance detection that are already transforming operations in education, factories, and logistics. If you're still using traditional cameras, you're falling behind. Let's uncover the power behind these intelligent eyes. First, let's talk about the digital input-output and serial port integration on ACTI's A427 and A428. This isn't just hardware, it's your gateway to automation. In school entrances, factory control rooms, or logistics electrical boxes, these ports let you connect sensors, buttons, and alarms, triggering actions the moment something goes wrong. With just a few steps, navigate to settings, select DIDO, click trigger, view live event feedback. You enable your entire environment to respond in real time. Whether it's an unauthorized door access, machinery malfunction, or perimeter breach, this feature elevates your security readiness instantly. Next, ACTI's A427 and A428 support external relays, giving you full control over multiple voltage types: 12V, 24V, even 48V. In high-temperature zones, warehouse gates, or staff-only entrances, the cameras can manage and automate control of third-party devices. You simply navigate to relay settings, configure voltage conditions, execute, see instant feedback. Third, let's highlight the exceptional durability. A427 and A428 operate in extreme heat up to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That means continuous performance in science labs, heat processing factory zones, and hot logistics platforms without system failure. With go-to-temperature monitoring, set alert threshold, enable alert, get anomaly records, your system protects itself. Finally, ACTI offers flexible deployment with both single and multi-channel modes. Whether you're securing one classroom or managing an entire campus, factory, or logistics hub, this function adapts to your needs. Go to channel setup, choose mode, apply, monitor all feeds. It's that easy. Unlike Axis, which requires additional licensing for channel upgrades, ACTI gives you scalability without added cost, making it the most ROI-friendly option in the market. If you're looking for an AI-powered surveillance solution purpose-built for education, factories, and logistics, ACTI's A427 and A428 are your smartest investment. High-temp durability, powerful integration, and unbeatable pricing make these cameras more than just tech, they're the future of physical security. Take action today and bring in